Good morning to everyone. In previous lecture, we seen about the how to represent the root number on a number line. In this lecture, we see about the simplification of the number or irrational numbers. So question number 11, simplify each of the following expressions. Okay. So example number first, that is first 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus root 125. Okay. So first to find out the like terms of this example, so here we can write that is 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus root 125. Root 125. So find out the like terms of these terms. So 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus, so factors of this 125, that is 25 into 5. Factors of 125, 25 into 5. So finally we get here 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus square root of 25, that is 5. What is remaining in square root? 5 is remaining. Okay. So therefore root 5, that is a like term, and 9, 4, 5 is a constant, means all are the like terms. Okay. Yeah, also we can take root 5 as a common, so we get final answer. So we can take here root 5 as a common. So root 5, what is remaining in bracket? 9 minus 4 plus 5. 9 minus 4 plus 5. Here root 5 common, so remaining 9. Here minus as it is root 5 common, so remaining 4. And here plus as it is root 5 common, so we get here 5. So simplification of this, that is root 5 as it is. So 9 minus 4, that is 5, and 5 plus 5, 10. So what is final answer? 10 root 5. Final answer be the 10 root 5. Okay. So this is the answer of first number question. Okay. So question number second. So question number second, that is question number second. This one be the second question. That is 3 plus root 3. 3 minus root 3. 3 minus root 3. This is question number second. So we know that rule, that is a plus b, a minus b. Here also same as it is. This is a, this is a, this is b, this is b. So a plus b, a minus b. So directly we can use this one rule. What is the rule? So a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So similarly here we can write, here value of a is 3, value of b is root 3. So directly we can write here like that, that is 3 plus root 3 and 3 minus root 3. Okay. So a plus b and this one a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. What is a here? 3 is a. So 3 square minus b square means root 3 square. Root 3 square. Okay. So final simplification, 3 square 9 minus square root square get cancel. So we get here 3 only. So final answer 9 minus 3, that is 6. So 6 be the final answer. 6 be the final answer by using this one formula, that is a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. So example number third. So example number third, that is root 125 divided by root 50. Root 50. Okay. This is example number third. Okay. So this is the division of irrational number. This one be the addition or subtraction of irrational number. Okay. So this is the division of irrational number. So here we can write, that is first root 125 divided by root 50, then is equal to, so factors of 125, root 25 into 5, then divided by here 25 into 2. Okay. So root of 25, that is 5. So directly we can write here, that is 5 root 5 divided by here root of 25, 5 root 2, remaining in square root 2. Okay. So root 5, that is constant number. Directly we can write here like that, that is 5 root 5 and 5 root 2. 5 root 2. Okay. So therefore 5 get cancelled. What is remaining? Root 5 by root 2. Root 5 by root 2 with the final answer of this example. Okay. This is the final answer. Okay. So we can take next example, that is example number 4. So example number 4. What is example number 4? Number 4 here. Yes, number 4, that is root 5 plus root 2 bracket square. Root 5 plus root 2 bracket square. Okay. So we know that rule, that is a plus b bracket square. A plus b bracket square. Directly we can solve by using a plus b bracket square. Okay. So rule for a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. A square plus twice ab plus b square. So similarly here a is equal to root 5 and b is equal to root 2, means directly we can write here like that, root 5 plus root 2 bracket square is equal to, so a square means here root 5 square plus twice ab, so twice ab. What is a? A is root 5. Then what is b? B is root 2. B is root 2 here. This is root 5, this is root 2. Okay, and finally b square means root 2 square, root 2 square. Okay, so final simplification, square root square get cancelled here, 5 as it is, plus then root 5 into root 2. We know that rule, that is root a into root b is equal to root ab, root ab. So similarly these two numbers are different, so in square root multiplication of these two numbers, so 2 as it is, and multiplication of these numbers, that is 5 2s are 10, and finally square root square get cancelled, so we get here 2. Okay, so these two terms are like terms. Why? Because both are constant. So we can add these two terms. So 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2 root 10. 2 root 10. So this is the final answer of example number 4. Example number 4. Okay. So next example, that is number 5. We can take this one example also. Here we can take example number 5. Example number 5. Yes, what is example number 5? Yes, example number 5. That is number 5. 5 root 8 into 2 root 8. 2 root 8. Okay, means this is the multiplication of irrational number. Multiplication of irrational number. We know that root 8 is a irrational number. Why it is irrational number? Because here root 8, so factors of root 8 here, 4 into 2, so we get square root of 4, that is 2 root 2, 2 root 2. But root 2 is a irrational number, and we know that rational into irrational, that is irrational. Okay, therefore root 8 is a irrational number. Okay, so multiplication of irrational number here, so 5 root 8 into 2 root 8, 2 root 8. Okay, so is equal to, we know that we can multiply directly numbers. Okay, means a into b, like that. Okay, so here 5 into 2, that is 10, and root 8 into root 8, here we can write root 8 into root 8. Yes, we know that rule, that is root a into root a is equal to, that is root a square. Yes, that is root a into root b, that is a into b. So here a into a square, and then square root square get cancelled, so we get here directly a, means directly we can write here root a into root a is equal to a. So similarly root 8 into root 8 here 8, so directly we can write here 10 into root 8 into root 8 8. So final answer here 80. So 80 be the final answer, the example number 5. Then example number last, that is example number last. What is example here? Here we can write, that is number 6. 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 2. Okay, here we can write example same as it is, that is 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 2. Okay, so इस टाइप के एग्जाम्पल में हम कोई भी रूल यूज नहीं कर सकते. क्यों नहीं कर सकते? क्योंकि 3 2 डिफरेंट है, रूट 3 रूट 2 डिफरेंट है. सेम ब्रैकेट रहते तो हम a प्लस बी ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर का रूल यूज करते. साइन चेंज होता और सेम नंबर्स रहते तो हम a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a माइनस बी, a प्लस बी का रूल यूज कर सकते थे. तो ये एग्जाम्पल कैसे सॉल्व करना? डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लीकेशन, मीन्स फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट से सेकेंड ब्रैकेट को मल्टीप्लाई करना. तो फर्स्ट नंबर से सेकेंड ब्रैकेट को मल्टीप्लाई करना, देन सेकेंड टाइम सेकेंड नंबर से सेकेंड ब्रैकेट को मल्टीप्लाई करना. ओके, सो हियर वी कैन राइट, दैट इज 3 into 2, 6, then 3 into root 2, that is 3 root 2, okay, then root 3 into 2, that is 2 root 3, and root 3 into root 2, so here root 3 into root 2, okay. So we know that rule here, that is root a into root b is equal to root ab, root ab, okay. So here we can write like that, that is 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, and multiplication of this, that is root 6, okay. So here is no anyone is like terms, okay. 6 is constant, this is irrational, this is also irrational, but both are different, and this is also irrational. Three irrational number and that are different, so we cannot add or subtract this number. So this is the our final answer. इस तरह से ये आपका फाइनल आंसर होगा, ओके. सो दिस इज द फाइनल सॉल्यूशन, ओके.
Okay, so next example, that is next question number 12. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. So example number first, that is 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. Okay, so rationalize the denominator of this example. So how to rationalize, or what is the procedure for rationalization? So here plus sign, so we can take minus sign and multiply numerator and denominator by same terms, just changing the sign here, okay. So here we can write like that, that is 1 upon root 7 plus root 2, root 7 plus root 2, okay. So rationalize this one, that is rationalize this one example is equal to 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. Rationalize denominator. How to rationalize? Just change the sign and multiply numerator and denominator by same numbers. So here we can write root 7, here is plus, so we can take here minus root 2 upon, here same as it is, root 7 minus root 2, okay. So this both are same number, so that is the adjustment. We can cancel this directly, means we get 1. So that is our adjustment, means this is the process of rationalization. So multiplication of this one, first one, 1 into this one, that is root 7 minus root 2, and multiplication of this one, okay. So we can use here rule, that is a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Yes, a plus b, a minus b, so a square minus b square. So here we can write a square minus b square means root 7 bracket square minus b square means root 2 bracket square here. Then final, that is final answer, root 7 minus root 2 upon, so square root get cancelled, remaining 7, square get cancelled, remaining 2, that is minus 2. Subtraction of this one, that is root 7 minus root 2 upon 5, so is the final answer, okay. इस तरह से इसका इस एग्जांपल का आपका ये फाइनल आंसर आएगा, ओके. सो एग्जांपल नंबर सेकंड लेंगे. सो एग्जांपल नंबर सेकंड क्या है? यस, हियर वी कैन टेक एग्जांपल नंबर सेकंड. सो एग्जांपल नंबर सेकंड, दैट इज 2 by root 7 minus root 6. सेम प्रोसेस क्या करना है, ये साइन माइनस है तो हमें किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना, जस्ट साइन चेंज करना और सेम नंबर से हमें साइन चेंज करके न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करना. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? रैशनलाइजेशन प्रोसेस बोलते हैं. सो हियर वी कैन राइट, दैट इज 2 अपॉन रूट 7 माइनस रूट 6, रूट 7 माइनस रूट 6. सो ई इज इक्वल टू हियर 2 अपॉन रूट 7 माइनस रूट 6. रैशनलाइज करना है तो सेम नंबर से जस्ट साइन चेंज करके root 7 plus root 6 upon here root 7 plus root 6, okay. Similarly we can use here rule, that is a minus b, a plus b, okay. Again we can use this one rule. So 2 multiplication, this one 2 root 7 plus root 6 upon, so multiplication of this one by using rule, that is a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. So root 7 bracket square minus root 6 bracket square. Yes, by using rule, which rule use here? Since that is, here we can write, since that is a minus b and a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, a square minus b square. This is the rule, okay. So final answer here, that is 2 as it is, in bracket root 7 plus root 6, then square get cancelled, so we get here 7 minus square get cancelled, we get here 6. Okay, subtraction this one, first to multiply 2 into this bracket, so that is 2 into root 7, 2 root 7, then plus 2 into root 6 upon that is 1. Okay, so what is final answer? 2 root 7 plus 2 root 6. Okay, these are different terms, so we cannot add these two terms, so this is the final answer. ओके, इस तरह से आप सेकंड नंबर का भी आंसर निकाल सकते हैं. ओके, यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर की जगह पे कुछ भी रहने दो, कौन सा भी नंबर रहने दो, हम डायरेक्टली क्या करेंगे, प्रोसेस फॉलो करेंगे, हमें वो आंसर मिल सकता है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, जब साइन माइनस आएगा तो वो एग्जांपल कैसे सॉल्व करना, तो सेकंड क्वेश्चन लेंगे हम यहाँ पे. यस, सेकंड क्वेश्चन, यस, सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या है, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर नंबर थर्ड, 1 अपॉन रूट 3 माइनस रूट 2, 1 अपॉन रूट 3 माइनस रूट 2. ओके, जैसे कि फर्स्ट एग्जांपल में हमारा साइन प्लस आया था, तो हम क्या लिए थे, माइनस लिए थे. तो यहाँ पे माइनस है तो हमें क्या लेना है, प्लस लेना है. सेम प्रोसीजर, minus means just change the sign and multiply same number by numerator and denominator. ओके, तो वही नंबर से हमें क्या करना है, अब मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, तो ये एग्जांपल सॉल्व करेंगे. यस, व्हाट इज एग्जांपल, 1 upon root 3 minus root 2, so here is equal to 1 upon root 3 minus root 2. okay, rationalization process. okay, yeah, directly we can write here like that statement, rationalize denominator, rationalize denominator. okay, so 1 by root 3 minus root 2 into, क्या करना है, जस्ट साइन चेंज करना है, माइनस है तो प्लस, सो रूट 3 प्लस रूट 2, हियर आल्सो रूट 3 प्लस रूट 2. ठीक है, ये क्या है, अपना एडजस्टमेंट है, ये एडजस्टमेंट हम कर सकते हैं. क्यों, क्योंकि ये सेम टर्म क्या होगा, कैंसिल होगा, तो इसका आंसर क्या मिलेगा, 1 मिलेगा. ओके, मींस रूट 3 प्लस रूट 2 गेट कैंसिल, रूट 3 प्लस रूट 2. ओके, सो वी गेट 1. so this is the adjustment process. so here final, that is 1 into this one, that is root 3 plus root 2 upon, similarly we can use your rule, root 3 minus root 2, root 3 plus root 2, a minus b, a plus b, so that is a square minus b square. So root 3 square minus root 2 square, so square root square get cancel, here square root square get cancel, so what is remaining, root 3 plus root 2 upon 3 minus 2. so final answer, root 3 plus root 2 upon 1, means final root 3 plus root 2 will be the final answer, and both are irrational number, and we cannot add these two terms because both are different terms, that is unlike terms. okay, so next example, that is example number 4, that is 1 upon root 5 minus 2, root 5 minus 2. okay, so here we can use same process, same rationalization process. okay, so first here we can write as it is example, that is 1 upon root 5 minus 2, root 5 minus 2. okay, so rationalize denominator, rationalize denominator. so here is equal to 1 upon root 5 minus 2 into, साइन क्या है, माइनस है, तो क्या लेना पड़ेगा, प्लस, सेम एज इट इज, नो चेंज. सो रूट 5 प्लस 2 अपॉन रूट 5 प्लस 2 हियर. ओके, माइनस है तो क्या किया, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को साइन चेंज करके जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई किया. सो फाइनल आंसर क्या मिलेगा इसका, यस, फाइनल आंसर 1 अपॉन, यस, फर्स्ट 1 into this one, that is root 5 plus 2 upon a minus b, a plus b. okay, again we can use rule a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square, so that is root 5 square minus b square. what is b here, 2. okay, means 2 square. 2 square. Okay, so 2 square. Final, that is square root square get cancelled here, that is square of 2. So final root 5 plus 2 upon square root square get cancelled, 5 minus 2 square 4. Okay, so final root 5 plus 2, subtraction of this one 1, means what is final answer? Root 5 plus 2 will be the final answer of the question number 4. So this is the rationalization process. Okay, so example number 5th, we can take example number 5th. Okay, example number 5th. Yes, example number 5th. What is example? So that is number 5. Number 5, 1 upon 3 root 5 plus 2 root 5, 2 root 2. Okay, this is also same example, means we can use here rationalization process. Okay, like same as it is. So first here we can write as it is example, that is 1 upon 3 root 5 plus 2 root 2. Okay, then rationalize denominator, so final, that is equal to 1 upon 3 root 5 plus 2 root 2. Okay, so rationalize denominator, so here is sign plus, we can take minus, so that is 3, here we can take, that is yes 3 root 5 minus 2 root 2 upon, that is 3 root 5 minus 2 root 2. Okay, this is the adjustment. So final here, that is final 1 into this one 3 root 5 minus this one as it is 2 root 2 upon multiplication of this one, same like that, a plus b, a minus b, we can use here a square minus b square. So like that we can write here 3 root 5 bracket square minus, then minus 2 root 2 bracket square. Okay, so final 3 root 5 as it is minus 2 root 2 upon, so 3 square 9, root 5 square root get cancelled, so we get here only 5, then minus 2 square 4, square root square get cancelled, that is into 2. Okay, so final here 3 root 5 minus 2 root 2 upon 9 5s are 45 minus 4 2s are 8, subtraction of this one, that is 3 root 5 minus 2 root 2, subtraction, that is 37, subtraction क्या मिलेगा 37. ओके, सो दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. इस तरह से ये एग्जांपल का आपका फाइनल आंसर मिलेगा. ओके, सो सेम प्रोसीजर से ये भी हम एग्जांपल से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ओके, थोड़ा सा चेंज है, थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज कर सकता है, बट सेम प्रोसीजर से ये भी एग्जांपल हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो एग्जांपल नंबर 6, हियर वी कैन टेक एग्जांपल नंबर 6. एग्जांपल नंबर 6. Yes, example number 6, that is number 6, 1 upon root 6 plus root 5, then plus 1 upon root 5 plus root 4. Okay, this is example number 6. इसमें भी कोई चेंज नहीं, सिर्फ क्या है, दो टर्म्स है, कंपोजिट टर्म्स है, तो उसको हमें क्या करना है, सिंपली सेम प्रोसेस से रैशनलाइज करना है. 2 हो या 4 हो, 5 हो, अप टू n हो, तो हमें क्या करना है, रैशनलाइज करना है सेम प्रोसेस से. सो हियर वी कैन राइट दैट इज 1 अपॉन रूट 6 प्लस रूट 5, देन प्लस 1 अपॉन रूट 5 प्लस रूट 4. ओके, सो रैशनलाइज डिनोमिनेटर हियर, रैशनलाइज denominator. Okay, so final here we can write 1 upon root 6 plus root 5. So rationalize denominator of this one, here plus sign, we can take here minus sign. So root 6 minus root 5 upon root 6 minus root 5. Okay, similarly plus as it is second terms, that is 1 upon root 5 plus root 4. Rationalize this one denominator, that is root 5 minus root 4 upon root 5 minus root 4, same as it is. Okay, then final we get here 1 into this one, that is root 6 minus root 5, and similarly we can use here rule, that is a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So that is root 6 square minus root 5 square, and then next one plus here also, that is root 5 minus root 4, same rule here, that is root 5 bracket square minus root 4 bracket square. Okay, then final here, that is root 6 minus root 5 upon square get cancel, means 6 here, minus as it is square get cancel here 5, then plus root 5 minus root 4 upon here square get cancel 5 minus, then square get cancel, that is 4. Okay, so subtraction here, that is root 6 minus root 5 upon 1 plus here root 5 minus root 4 upon 1. Okay, means directly we can write here like that, that is root 6 minus root 5 plus root 5 minus root 4. Okay, so here plus minus get cancel, so what is remaining is root 6 minus root 4, root 6 minus root 4. Okay, so this is the final solution. Okay, इस तरह से आप फाइनल सॉल्यूशन कर सकते हैं, या आगे सिंप्लीफाई करना है तो कैसे कर सकते हैं, यस स्प्लिटिंग दिस टर्म्स, दैट इज लाइक दैट, या दिस इज फाइनल आंसर. स्प्लिट तो नहीं कर सकते, क्यों नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि 3 2 जा तो स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं मिल रहा है इसमें, इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकाल सकते हैं, बट इसमें परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं मिल रहा है. सो रूट 6 माइनस रूट 4 विल बी फाइनल आंसर, मींस बोथ आर irrational. Why it is irrational? It is not irrational, but subtraction of irrational minus rational, so we get irrational numbers. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, answer number 6. So we can take next example, that is example number 7. Example number 7. Yes, example number 7. Yes, what is example number 7? Example number 7. Yes, if x is equal to root 2 plus root 5 upon 3 plus root 7, 3 plus root 7. Okay, and y is equal to also, that is root 4 plus root 5 upon 3 plus root 7, then value of x minus y and x plus y is okay. This is also simple example. First here we can use this one formula, means solve this one first. Okay, this is most important. Okay, ये एग्जाम्पल थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग होता है, क्यों, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम ध्यान नहीं देते. ये सॉल्व किए तो आपको इजीली सॉल्यूशन मिल जाएगा, लेकिन हम इस तरफ से ही देखते हैं कि इनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, देन इनका एडिशन करेंगे, देन हमें आंसर मिलेगा. इससे हमें आंसर मिलना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, तो हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ से सॉल्व करना है. सो बाय यूजिंग रूल हियर, दैट इज x minus y, x plus y means a minus b, a plus b. Okay, so solve this one first. So here we can write given example, that is x minus y, x plus y. Okay, means a minus b, a plus b. So directly we can write here x square minus y square, x square minus y square. किसका आंसर निकालना है, x माइनस वाई, x प्लस वाई का निकालना है. उसका आंसर क्या मिल रहा है, x स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर. सो एज इट इज हम क्या करेंगे, अब x का वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम x का वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. सो हियर वी कैन राइट, दैट इज वैल्यू ऑफ x, दिस वन, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 प्लस रूट 5, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 प्लस रूट 5 अपॉन 3 plus root 7 and bracket square means x square minus y square here. So this is also 4 plus root 5 upon 3 plus root 7 bracket square. Okay. So here similarly here square root get cancelled. Square root get cancelled. Here also square root get cancelled. Okay. So what is remaining here? Here we can write remaining term, that is square root get cancelled. So we get here that is 2 plus root 5 upon 3 plus root 7 minus then here 4 plus root 5 upon 3 plus root 7. Okay. So denominator is same. So we know that rule, that is a plus b plus minus c by b. A by b minus c by b. If denominator is same, therefore direct subtraction of numerators, means here we can write like that, a minus c by b. So same as it is, denominator is same, so directly we can subtract numerators. So here 2 plus root 5, this one minus sign in bracket. Okay. So 4 plus root 5, यहाँ पे मिस्टेक होने का चांसेस है. हम क्या करते हैं, माइनस साइन सिर्फ 4 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, बट ये माइनस साइन होल टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई, पूरे ब्रैकेट को मल्टीप्लाई होगा, इसलिए मैं क्या लिया यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट लिया. ओके. सो हियर कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर 3 plus root 7. So final 2 plus root 5 minus plus minus 4 minus plus minus root 5 upon 3 plus root 7. 3 plus root 7. Okay. Then this one plus term minus term get cancelled, and 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. So what is final? That is final here minus 2 upon 3 plus root 7. 3 plus root 7. Okay. तो ये जो टर्म मिला है सेम इस टाइप का टर्म मिला है या ए टाइप का टर्म मिला है. ओके. इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं लाइक दैट, दैट इज माइनस 2 बाय रूट 7 प्लस 3, इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसको रैशनलाइज करना पड़ेगा. ओके. सो रैशनलाइज करेंगे फर्स्ट, उसको ये साइड में रैशनलाइज करेंगे, देन हमें फाइनल आंसर मिल सकता है. ओके. रैशनलाइज दिस वन टर्म. So what is term here? Minus 2 by root 7 plus 3. Okay. साइन कौन सा है, प्लस है, तो कि कौन सा साइन लेना है, माइनस. सो रूट 7 minus 3 upon root 7 minus 3. So final multiplication of this one minus 2 into root 7 minus 3 upon then a plus b, a minus b, that is root 7 square minus 3 square 9. Yeah, directly you can write here 3 square. Then minus 2 into this one minus 2 root 7, then minus plus 2 3s are 6 upon here, that is square get cancel. Okay. That is 7. Okay. या यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किए तो भी चलेगा, माइनस 2 रूट 7 minus 3 अपॉन स्क्वायर गेट कैंसिल, दैट इज 7, देन माइनस 3 स्क्वायर 9. ओके. Then final minus 2 root 7 minus 3 upon subtraction of this one, that is minus 2, and this minus 2 get cancelled. So what is final answer? Root 7 minus 3 be the final answer. This is the required solution of this example. Means here we can write, that is x minus y, x plus y is equal to root 7 minus 3. Okay. That is the final answer. Okay.